Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute Start Your Mindfulness Journey meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees, facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Breathing here naturally with your eyes still gently closed, we invite you to be non-judgmental as you bring awareness in this present moment by releasing negative energies and welcoming consistent peace in your life. Acknowledge your intentions, bringing attention to your attitude and surroundings while accepting all of the beautiful things that are happening in your life. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils and exhale out of your mouth with a big sigh. Find the rhythm of your breath and breathe here naturally. You express gratitude in this moment for your mindfulness journey and show yourself love for being consistent in living a harmonious and peaceful life. Continue breathing here naturally. If your mind begins to drift off to thoughts that are not being present at the moment, let's control the wandering. On your inhale, gather any interferences attempting to prevent you in this practice. And on your exhale, free yourself of these disturbances with a huge sigh out. Place your hands in prayer mode, then place them in the acceptance of mindfulness to the forefront of your crown. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils and exhale out of your mouth with a big sigh. Now lower your prayer hands from your crown to your mouth. Bring the acceptance of mindfulness to the forefront of your lips. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils and exhale out of your mouth with a big sigh. Let's bring your prayer hands from your mouth to your heart. Bring the acceptance of mindfulness to the forefront of the middle of your chest. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils and exhale out of your mouth with a big sigh. Release your hands down to your knees and ground yourself in all of the sensations that you are feeling from this practice. Allow your natural breathing to take over as your body is filled with bliss and you are awakened to having the power to be aware of your thoughts, sensations, and feelings at all times. Let's take one last deep breath in through your nostrils and release it out through your mouth with a huge sigh surrounding your aura with this inviting and tantalizing energy. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am starting my mindfulness journey and will incorporate positive wellness habits to live freely and peacefully. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you prepare to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare, and then exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment, and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this Start Your Mindfulness Journey meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.